Hey everyone, welcome to DSA in Python YouTube channel. Today we will look at the problem, merge two sorted linked lists, the optimal method. Let's get started. You are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists in a one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. The previous approach was brute force, so it consumes an extra space of O(n plus m). To avoid that, we will use the approach discussed before. We will use the merge sort method, where we make use of the fact that both lists are sorted in themselves. Compare the first node of both lists and assign pointer p1 to the smaller value node. Take two pointers p1 and p2. Run a loop till either of the pointers become none. Create a pointer res head to L1, which will be the head of the resultant sorted linked list. Iterate through both lists till the value pointed by L1 is less than or equal to the value pointed by L2. Node temp will store the last sorted node. This will help us create the link later. Once an iteration is complete, link node pointed by temp to node pointed by L2. Then swap L1 and L2. This handles the case if L1 or L2 is none. Then move the node pointed by temp to the next higher value node. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Python solutions. Do comment which problems should I solve next.